Hi everyone, who else is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Bittorrent, tickers BTT. Once again, thank you for your continued support. Really do appreciate everything you do towards the growth of CoinsKid here. It's amazing. Thank you very much. And thank you for your Telegram group membership, and thank you for the Patreons, and thank you for being in the voice chat the other night. That was really good, really good conversation going on in there as well. So it's all good. It's all good. I wish you all the best luck in the world. Okay, so diving into BTT, you can see it's a bit frustrating. It's a bit of a slow burner, to be fair, in this recovery, but we have got to remember it has gone up a whopping 86%, and it's currently up 66%. So it has done okay. It's done okay, but not necessarily as good as Win or Hot or One or those particular tokens right there. It's not really bolted up as much as those at the minute. So I do anticipate more upside for BTT, to be honest with you. It is coming back, and it looks bad, but you know what? It's back testing a key level of support right now, and I want to show you what that support is. So straight off the bat, we've got a little price prediction here based off this cup and handle that I can see. You've got this little cup and handle on the go. You see this? So you've got this little cup, and you've got this level of resistance right there between them, like that, little cup and handle. And effectively, if you was to break this key level of resistance along here somewhere, because this runs like that, okay, and as you start to come back up, and if you break the level of resistance, then you could see a potential nice little tick to the upside there. So that's a nice little trade in itself if you was to see BTT start to march on. And then obviously you've got the resistance line that's created for this WW bottom, so you've effectively got more upside, something to the level of this when you was to break out of that particular neckline of support as well, resistance as well. So you know, you've got a few patterns there that are saying more upside basically, so you could see BTT march onto that as well once it breaks this particular pattern. So there's a couple of patterns that's saying more upside if a particular level of resistance is broken right now. And again, this level of resistance will actually change as time goes on. So what else I want to show you is this particular Fibonacci retracement that it's got going on as well right now, okay? Because what it is, you always look for confluence, okay? It doesn't necessarily mean that it's always going to go up or anything. It can roll over, as you know, but right now it is showing signs of strength, believe it or not. It is actually okay. It's having something called a retracement off this impulsive wave just here. So effectively what you got going on, you've got this impulsive wave up, corrective wave down, impulsive wave up, corrective wave down, and then impulsive wave up, corrective wave down. Do you see how it works? Okay, and the whole time you're adhering to these higher highs and higher lows, and basically a reversal trend. So if you can keep adhering to that and not actually fall out, then yeah, then I would anticipate more upside. So with that said, what we need to do is look at the particular levels of support that BTT is falling back to and needs to hold for continuation in this impulsive wave and corrective wave. So right now, if BTT starts to close and lose this particular level of support right here on the golden ratio, 0.0654343, if it starts to lose that and starts to close below that, then you're looking at a reversal wave and a potential more downside to this particular level there, because that's a reversal wave, okay? So from this point you could see a further correction for BTT of around 17% down to that particular swing low just there of that impulsive wave up. So I've not got a crystal ball, okay, but it is holding a really good, nice level of support off the fibs, because what it's done, as you can see, it's come up, hit the top, starting to retrace, which is perfectly healthy, okay, perfectly healthy. And look where it's bounced, boom, just there. And you will see on a lot of retracements, okay, you will see a retracement come back down to this particular level and bounce. And right now you can see it's bounced, it's come up, it's at another level of resistance, okay, it's come up above this 382. And now it's back testing the 382 as support. It's a little bit below it at the moment, so you do want to see it start closing above this 0.382. You want to see it closing above that level just there, okay? Closing above that level, and it's going to start making progress, back testing these EMAs, back testing this 0.236, and then march on, take out the resistance line, and you could look at a lovely little upside there for BTT, have this small level of consolidation that it's kind of going through. But I want to reassure you, it's still making the higher lows and effectively the higher highs once that particular level there is broken. And that's the reason it's ran into a wall, because it hit that level there of resistance just there. Do you see that? Because usually off this bottom here you would have gone on and upwards already, but it's coming back on itself, creating the handle at this cup and handle pattern. Do you see that? So yeah, more upside basically, but again, I've given you a breakdown target. If you do start to see it close below that, then do anticipate that it's rolling over and it's creating a reversal wave, and potentially you're looking at a double bottom eventually. But so far so good, it's actually looking quite healthy. healthy, and it's just retracing to a key level of support, which is holding, okay, and then looking for more upside. That's BTT. Good luck, everybody. I hope that plays fruitful. So like I said to you, from this point here, that's a lovely little trade up to there, 44% to that high off a W bottom, and just off the cup and handle there, that's a 25% trade up there. But if it was to start losing itself now and start to fall down to that reversal wave there, 17%. So we want more upside, basically. Oh yeah, and just to add, I wanted to do a price prediction based off of Fibonacci as well. So I'll drop that in as well for clarification. This is what I mean about confluence. You try and get as much confluence as you can in your patterns, okay? So tidy all this up. So with this, what you do, you go to the top and you go to where you think you've formed your bottom, okay? Because what effectively you got going on here is a new impulsive wave, and you see that. So effectively, that's actually tying up with a breakout of a cup and handle pattern. Look at that, bang on. Do you see that cup and handle pattern that we've done? That basically tying up with that 1618 extension. So providing we can actually get through that resistance level now, that level there, obviously that local high there in our retracement there, if we can get through that particular level there, you would be looking at that nice 1618 extension coming into play, which is also the next impulsive wave off this bottom here, which will hopefully start to form. Okay, do you see that? And then get up to that particular price prediction there, based off getting through that resistance level. So that's BTT. Hope you enjoyed that update. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.